나라 드네서는 빼나베드니 건수주의면은 lembu tsuke tine pamalang tine namalang deba kaliya tine nama chokatanya nama chokatanya rabu tine da tine misi tine kasuju misi nasula kalatanya tine kalatanya tine kalabe shira tine yorakan tine tilonje keyon ya mecha naru tilonje keyon tine telebal pi yorakan tine ninda kalu shibu nanda bata chimbu shibu dosi chende yahu shibu dosi tine da tit lama nipu chonsu sami ya pachi lagun chini yanjolong kachi nani nuni madja kaliya tine 가수주의면은 트라니 키요. 한테 라마를 피. 어디네 무슨 야? 어디가 서로 들어겠더니 죄죄다. 근데 되더라더니 말 시대에 중에서도 중앙에서.
So he had to undergo great hardships known as the 12 great hardships, and in one case he was even sent by Tilopa to snatch away a bride of a minister. And then in one case when Naropa begged food from a marriage party, Tilopa received it and Tilopa was very, very pleased, and then Naropa thought this pleases his teacher, and then he again went back to beg for the food, but then they wouldn't give, so he even snatched the food from them, and then he was beaten and so forth.
연 지금 미도도 내가 연은 드네만 총내가 예배스는 수마로 드네도 대자가 관리들이 나를 배 태조 나와진들이 또 졸라가 도가는 총로로 드네도 오늘은 대자 된다고 드네 이게 니 같이 먹고 열었어.
So in one case when Tilopa and Naropa both visited a very high temple, and from the roof of the temple from the balcony Tilopa asked Naropa, do you have enough gut to practice tantra? Then immediately jumped from this roof, and then Naropa without any hesitation jumped from it.
So in
all these cases when Naropa had to suffer the consequences by falling down, that all his ribs are broken, bones are broken and so forth, and then Tilopa comes down and then he says a prayer that may there be no illnesses, may there be no pains and so forth, and then he snaps and Naropa was restored back to his normal life.
So in
So when Naropa got used to such events, then Naropa became more and more confident that it is not dangerous for him to engage into, even though it seems a very dangerous activity, because he was confident that his master would restore his health and life. So once he was too overconfident, and then he did something, and then Tilopa didn't come, and he had to suffer for quite a long period of time. So then Tilopa finally asked Naropa when they were walking on a desert plain. Then Tilopa asked him, why you are always following me, or what do you want from me? And then at that time Naropa requested Tilopa to give teachings.
And
then Tilopa said that then if you want to receive teachings from me, then you have to make mandala offering, and then he told him to make mandala offering. So because it was on a desert plain, there wasn't even a single drop of water, and then Naropa asked, how can I make a mandala offering? There is not even a drop of water. How can I make a shape for mandala? And then Tilopa advised him to urinate and then make a mandala.
드네 가사드네 네 때려가 있지 때려면 쓰는데 원진이 드네 자다드네 가수주의면은 님이 되었으게 님이 되었으게 라고 선을 하려고 드네 선부터 통과해야지 말도 드네 때려봤더니 막 때야지 데려다 쓰는 때야 그래야 말이 근데 라고 선을 손지더니 드네 나마라 보면 거기 나가랬어.
So at that time, Naropa made a dove of the sand with his urine, and then made the mandala offering to Tilopa, and then Tilopa took a handful of it, a palmful of it, the mud, and then threw it on the mouth of the Naropa, and said that there is nothing what I can show, what Tilopa can show to you. Everything depends on your own mind, and only thing you have to do is you have to recognize yourself. And then on that day he gave many instructions. So at that day, on that day, Tilopa gave Naropa many instructions and importance on how the meaning of you have to recognize yourself means you have to cultivate the realization of emptiness, and then because of such instructions he achieved the wisdom of simultaneous bliss. So once Naropa acted against the wish of his spiritual master Tilopa, because Tilopa advised him not to ever enter into debate with a non-Buddhist. So although Naropa did it purposely to insult his, to act against his teacher, but he forgot the advice of the teacher, and then once he found himself involved in the debate with a non-Buddhist. And then it will take a lot of time to explain how they enter into debate and all this detail, but in short, Tilopa told Naropa that since you have acted against my word, so therefore it won't be possible for you to achieve the resultant union state of Mahamudra in this lifetime.
주는 제발로 왔는데 저게 배더니 배상하고 종수선인데 배상하고 종수되더니 바도리야 조금으로 니용스잖아요. 별로가 도스는 온단 말이야.
And then Tilopa prophesied to Naropa that you should write lots of commentaries elucidating the essential points and the actual intention of the Lord Buddha, especially connected with the teachings of the Tantra, and then you will be able to achieve the supreme enlightened state during your intermediate state, the Parto.
다들은 사람들이 디 중 나라도 중중생이 되니 파면 관리해야 된다. 되니 제일 파면 가져 저런 싸움마 연락도 짜서 나와 봐서요. 오늘은 처음에 조는 사람 다 되게 간다. 배사 먹고 진짜도 세워졌어.
So Naropa therefore composed many tantric texts known as the many texts on the completion stage and the generation stage.
가수주의면은 대가다 네 변이 변다 되게 배우다 그래서 강가로 배로만 곳이라 여래배 너무 오늘 대가 바로 열었더니 근데도 좀 있는데 열었어.
So Naropa had a lot of very close disciples and most important disciples, all of them outstanding both in Tibet and also in India, and even in India it said that Naropa has 12 chief disciples.
그 별 자식이 있는 토라 마발로서 지다게 까지 먹고 나니 깔아 먹고 때문에 배전 나로 샤로 도제더니 야할 사실이 배제가 먼저 되더니 깔아 먹고 되버렸어.
And even in Tibet, he had his chief disciple Marpa Lotsawa, the great translator, and who underwent great hardships, and he also visited India 4 times to take teachings from Naropa.
그러다 배 또라냐 말하면 되네 너무 먹고 싫어 요리디 되네 되게 pen 가서더니 나로 가져면 되네 담바디 진짜 수치를 만나가 되네 배부 판대가 고생을 나가랬어.
So although Naropa has lots of chief disciples who are very highly realized beings, but he didn't give the transmission of these teachings of Vajrayogini to anyone apart except to the Phamtingpa brothers of Nepal.
어다 되네 맞아 되네 사제 고만한 걸로 저 줄 준 사자로 저거더니 저리는 맨날 세주 쓰는 배 저리 칠을 자는 게 처음에 어다 되네 되게 사제 숨바더니 해외 되는 데면 남만 남설만 담만은 중으로는 줘서냐다 언제네 다 남만 남설라는 데니 집에 담바 쪽에 배우는 당 같으랬어.
So now the third outline which has been explained is the how the sublime beings achieved powerful attainments relying on this teaching, and in this is explained how many masters of the past has achieved powerful attainments relying on this practice.
저는 저도 지내주는 남들 때문에 꿀류마방 같은 다바 가져를 지어버리고 되는데 오늘 선생님 잡아 망고 열었어.
So there has been lots of masters of the past who have been able to go to the pure land of darkness without having to abandon their old physical forms.
근데 다만 이제 자할 제기는 도체 로이바다 도체 제보바다.
In India there were masters like Master Luipa and Master Gandhapa.
아니 잘한다라바 제원다리까봐 너무 댕기봐.
Jalandharapa and the king Darikapa and his minister
댕기봐.
Dekiba.
되네 로바 아바야가라.
And Master Abhayakara.
아니 기술 첨부봐.
And the novice Tsimpupa.
다나시겠네 배율 차석이 있는데 판대가 꾸준히.
And in Nepal like Phamtingpa brothers.
어디서 전에 되네 대속에 되네 대조야 명가 남을 때는 꿀류마방을 다바 가져를 배워 시다졌어.
And these meditation masters of the past has been able to go to the pure land of Dakini without having to abandon their form, without having to abandon their old physical form by relying on the practice of Father Hiruka and Mother Vajrayogini.
어디는 별 자식이 있는 매줄러서 로주 잡아.
And in Tibet there were masters like Melchior Lotsawa, the translator Lotuta.
어디는 매줄러서 로주 잡았다더니 제가 공부하러 가려야 꿀을 리젠트야시 근데 너지 제보지다 차를 주는데 차를 쓰는데 나 다바 가져를 누구 인수 집에 무엇이든 배송하러 근데 종아됐어.
And Melchior Lotsawa was a very highly realized being who at the final part of his life he wore all the bone ornaments and then took the bell and vajra in his hand, and in embracing mudra he told to his disciple that I'm going to the pure land of Dakini, and he went with his old physical form.
And
like that the Nasa Thakpupa and Purang Lochung and all those masters also went to the pure land of Dakini without abandoning their old physical forms. And the caves in which Nasa Thakpupa meditated, later 7 of his disciples meditated in that very cave and then managed to go to the pure land of Dakini without abandoning their old physical forms. So even Lama Tsongkhapa had visions of Vajrayogini in form of some kind of a lady wearing a yellow cloth and red cap, which and this Vajrayogini was visiting Lama Tsongkhapa frequently, and which his disciple Dr. Jambal Jaso saw. And later, Lama Tsongkhapa, when he finished his composition of the commentary on the root Tantra Heruka, known as the complete elucidation of the hidden meaning, Vajrayogini visited Lama Tsongkhapa, frequented Lama Tsongkhapa in her usual extraordinary form. And this could be found in the secret biographies of Lama Tsongkhapa. So like these, there were also masters of the past, Tibetan masters like Changchai Robe Doji and Tabu Tembe Jaltsen and Tuken Dhamma Vajra, who all achieved powerful attainments relying on the practice of Heruka and his consort. So during the Panchen Lama, one of the Panchen Lama known as Panchen Pandan Ishi, during his time there was a Nepali Vajrayogini practitioner in a Tibetan province called Shikatse. So one morning he had a showering of sindur on his head, and then he went to meet Panchen Lama Bandanishi, and then asked him told him that it might be a sign that I'm being led to the Pure Land of Dakini, because this morning I had a showering of sindura on my head, and he showed the sindurus to Panchen Lama. And then one day nobody knew that this Nepali where this Nepali went. So the actual method for attainment, the most profound and most effective method for achieving the state of Dakini, is the most effective is the practice of Heruka, and within Heruka the mother side Vajrayogini, and also within Vajrayogini the tradition of the Naropa is the most effective one. So in other in the practices of other tantras, where all the factors like very clear visualizations and very sort of stable divinely upright, and also the proper saying of the mantra without addition or without elaboration or without shortcomings and so forth, if one doesn't, if any of these factors are not complete, it is very difficult for the practitioner to achieve, to make himself nearer to the deity. Whereas in the case of Vajrayogini, if the most important factor is the strong faith, and if the practitioner has a very strong faith, even if he lacks all the other factors, he still can succeed in actualizing the state of Dakini. So in the 48th chapter of the Root Tantra of Heruka, where the mantra of Vajrayogini is said, where the mantra of Vajrayogini is mentioned, it has praised this in the root text. It has praised this mantra, saying that this mantra is so powerful that even the mere recitation of it will produce actualization.
아니 대사가 주소로들 약간 거의 미싱인데 얘네 비 대주하고 지는 거 아주하고 당 아니 대바하고 제잖아 뒤 드는 거좀 용거 열었어.
So in degenerated era like the present time, even if we might not be able to engage into the extensive visualizations and concentrations and so forth, but if we recite this mantra with strong faith, and that will bestow the required attainments.
네 생활해야 되네 가져 맞을 때는 다바 가져를 받네 다바 가져를 중요하게 배워 생으로 다른데 시해야 되네 가져를 야스이네 배 드로볼로 딱 가져는 로스원으로 되게 수도 주거라고 다 근데 이전에 되네 되게 되네 된대기 춘이기 도시내 좀 알았다는데 다바 가져도 주주들 내라요 임브레스.
So this Vajrayogini is also known by the name of Kachema the Dakini, which means the sky goer, and also her physical aspect shows her face slightly raised upward and her eyes gazing towards upward into the space, which is like a sign message to the practitioner to go to the pure land of Dakini.
담아드네 관리주의드네 거기서드네 콩드네 담아 내서라면드네 담아는 우리 님에 줘서다드나 집어 담아주고 비게 우리 니당 거저다 디 사제디 숨바진 집에서.
So in this outline, the third outline, which is known as how the sublime beings achieve powerful attainments, relying on this practice of teaching. In this outline are explained how the meditation masters of the past, by relying on this practice, has achieved the powerful attainments. Now the fourth outline is the sequence of the actual practice of this teaching. So this is divided into three, that is the practitioner of this teaching, this path, and the teaching of this teaching of this practice, and the third one is the how to undertake the practices. So the reading transmission of this commentary will be given on the basis of Ngulchu Dhammapada's commentary on Vajrayogini.
제자제 제송로 제제원주 계신데 공제 지나가지고 서 맞아 네가 좋아하는 제가 가지고 저 대주 토주주 되면 제가 대단하야 되지 이제 되네 저 이제 외면하는 거리 상하까지 자지 대단해 맞아 저는 그거 아니에요 제가 저래가지고 토주 되면은 이제 사진 노조도 저러서 제가 가지고 노조는 제대로 도리지 사제제 이제는 얘도 저 주고 저 원래 되는 주지 지기 이제 제가 저 소소마지는 거는 제가 저는 저도 저는 노래는 저 다 들려맞지는 되네. 거기 나서려면 댄스게 들려야 되네. 오늘 매람 조롱이 가사다 되네. 조롱 고롱이 가사 쓰는 니 말이스.
So the practitioner of this path is two kind. That is the one who is ripened to engage into the ripening path, and then one who is ripened in engaging the completing path.
단절에 되니 사단으로 오면 그래서 지는 거인한테 매람승에게 매별람디 오늘 제рем을 남라제 가서더니 오늘 다들 무슨 도지 내주면 되네 신도라기 쟁고도더니 멤버십을 남다 디민제 되는 왕기를 맞아서 디민제 왕기를 받으려야 되네 멤버람 샤바지다 제단에 되네 원시 조버 토발려야 되네 멤버람 샤바지기다 절루면라고 지금 니요레스.
So this the first the practitioner where the mention of ripening path is made. This ripening path has two different interpretation, and one is the achievement, the obtaining the four initiations in the form of blessing inside the Sindhura Mandala of Vajrayogini, and another interpretation is that the receiving or the obtaining the initiations of any of the highest yoga tantra. So therefore, in different commentaries, there are different interpretations, presentation of the first practitioner, which is the practitioner eligible to engage, eligible to enter into the ripening path.
답변은 가능하죠. 남투모의 주의장, 남투모의 주의장 비게 남는 비 용어라고 야고지 퇴제 또 세수나 되네. 제단게 비게 와 년점에 전화 마시고는 년점에 전화 마시고는 해야 되네. 요나 제송으로 서 받는데다. 되네. 제도기 가능하라고 들게 되네. 완전히 토고고 여러 봤을 때 완전히 토고고 여러 제사 뒤 인자네 원다 되게 비게 와 토야 되라. 왕토야들 민족의 남을 샤네 민족의 남을 샤네 대란 주가 되어야 되네 남투모의 주 장고야 되는 걸 누구 인자네 남투모의 주 장바 찍고 어디니 매람 조롱 가사를 해야 되니 또 상해지 요레스.
So there's another there's one way of interpreting this where the ripening path is the ripening path is taken as the one who has achieved, one who have received the four initiations into any of the highest yoga tantra. So in that case, the practitioner who is, I said eligible, but I think it's qualified. The practitioner who is qualified to enter into the ripening path would be one who has had trained his mental continuum in the common practice like the Lamrim instructions.
근데 죄 남성에게 죄 남들이야 되니 제림도 조례로 써봐도 저지 샤네 대주 공부라 와와데 와를 제베드니 근데 대조 공부하러 버든다 제도 공부하러 버든다 파바도 해야 되니 투모와니면 니드니 제라로 버든다 제도 토고야 돼서 그걸로 되니 죄람 공부로 가사를 해야 되니 상해지 요레스.
And the second person, the second practitioner, the practitioner who is qualified to enter into the I said complete path, I think it's a freeing path, the liberating path. And in this case, the liberating path is referred to those parts of the generation stage and completion stage practice of this Vajrayogini. And this practitioner will be one who has received the four initiations into any of the highest yoga tantra, and also the four initiations in the form of blessing into the Sindhur Mandala of Vajrayogini.
这是到上说那个书写搞了呀，你听用过的，他的人呢，的体呢，拿了钱了，那我们跟主人个干啥生意的，么，咱听我也就讲吧，当提讨了呀的，但是我那这种了说吧，这个的呢，我看下我拖把的，那个也懂你的，那我们主人个干啥了下边的是。
So although such is the the case, such is the explanation given by the late Venerable Gyabje Doshi-chang during his commentary. But according to this commentary of Ngulchu, the first person, the practitioner who is qualified to enter into the ripening path, is the one who has trained his mental continuum into the common path like the Lamrim instructions, and also one who has achieved, one who has received 4 initiations into any of the highest yoga tantra, preferably those of Mara Tantra like Heruka according to Nakpopa, Luipa or Gentapa.
아니 저랑 원하고 가서 생긴데 도진해줘만 뒤에네 와 도와주고 그랬으니까 도진해줘만 뒤에네 어제 제가 그쪽도 돈이 참여하게 냠내 정이 들으질래야 되네 저랑 원하고 가서 쓰진다 튀게 나는 잠깐만 또 쓰랬어.
And in this commentary, according to this commentary, the second practitioner, the practitioner who is qualified to enter into the freeing, the liberating path, is the one who has received the 4 initiations in the form of blessing into the Sindhu Mandala of Vajrayogini.
다 된다 되네. 주중 소체전에 면람 되려야 되네. 와샤네 되네. 남태모의 주 맞잖아. 남태모의 주 장바진 걸 마소나 되네. 와슈 맞춰가 인자네. 와슈 맞춰가 인자네. 면람 쪽으로 가서라 남태모의 주 장바진 고고 열었어.
So generally speaking, the first practitioner is referred to those who has trained their mental continuum in the practices of the common path like the Lamrim instructions, and then he becomes qualified to receive the initiations which are known as the ripening factors.
되네. 와슈가 있는 얘들이 대절로나 대절로 소바 되고 와슈가 있는 제림다 조림 공초거래디 얘는 얘들이 도진내줘만 뒤에는 남 제림내줘 주지도 조림 원장 말로 소바 되서 제들이 공초거 야마데스.
So although that practitioner has received initiations into any of the highest yoga tantra, and although he is empowered to engage into the meditate into the practice of generation stage and completion stage of tantrayana, but if he has not received the 4 initiations in the form of blessings into the Sindhu Mandala of Vajrayogini, then he is not empowered to practice the generation stage and completion stage of Vajrayogini.
도진내줘만 비게 람디 디 제림다 조림 좀 나도 람바 잡아라 디 되네 첼로 쟁에 봐도 오늘 도구 열었어.
So in order to be able to meditate on the practice of completion stage and generation stage of this deity of Vajrayogini, it is important for the practitioners to first receive the initiations in the form of blessings of this Vajrayogini.
저서 드레이즈는 강변 냥솔렘에 댄스에 따르나 냥솔랭에 간대지 고고 열었으나 남태모의 주의 장바 뒤에 돌려야 되네 대저 공항으로 소바들 강야로 와지게 되네 완전히 터봐 뒤에 졸려야 되네 도진내줘만 뒤 젤럽 터봐 왔다 드레지 고고를 했어.
So therefore, in short, the practitioner of this path should be one who has trained his mental continuum in the practice of a common path like Lamrim instructions, and in addition to that, have received initiations into any of the highest yoga tantra, preferably those of Heruka, and then who has also received the blessings of the Vajrayogini into the Sindhu Mandala.
왔다 도스다 뒤 면람 조로 거기 냥솔렘에 댄데 되버지. 같이 냥솔렘에 취생에 들어 되네 니주 참아신 연습전에 되리스.
So now the second outline, which is the practice of the teaching, is this teaching which is endowed with the 4 velids.
네 달라야 가르쳐서 니주 원드네 니주 시다 참아시 쓰전에 된다. 그래서 요래디 오늘 토바네 소데 비게드네 니다리 집이게 상루로 당자 원기 첼럽 대주베야 되네 만년 받잖아. 원기 첼럽 만년 받잖아 되네 원지 첼럽 주도 나야게 되네 미바 양내양도 제바라고 되네 되네 제바질로 되네 원기 초보만 와서 그랬어.
So now this teaching of this practice has 8 qualities known as the 4 the 4 air-whispered transmissions and the 4 velids. And the first one is unbroken continuity of the stream of the stream of empowerment. The meaning of this is the practitioner should be one who has received the initiations and then who has kept his commitments and observed all the vows and so forth.
드네 제라고 주방만에 맞서지는 냥솔라제고 취를 했더니 원래 태송고 정도로 쳐니까 되니 뒤에 바사발라리아 되니 담냠다고 되다 당진 냐바라고 되다 되게 되니 추진 체화라고 되다 되게 되니 실내로 맞추고 주고 열었어.
So now the second A-whisper transmission is known as the continuity. The continuity of the inspiration is not degenerated. The meaning of this is that this practice of this teaching is not polluted by someone who has broken his vows and commitments and who has included his own fabrications without a proper source.
아니 당황하게 사과 말아봤을 때 사과스를 리우스 그래 당황하게 비겠더니 고름도 좀 맞추어지게 배 당황 응을 되게 냠내지 응을 냠내지 줄을 냠내지 줄을 냠내지 또 제가마도 배 고래 야마 추는데 냠내 맞아 가서 그러다 고래 맞추어지게 배 냠내지 가지고 그거 열이더니 이제는 당황하게 사과 맞추어서 지내려고 그랬어.
And the third one is proper arrangements of the chapters of the instructions. So this means that the practitioner should engage into the practice with a proper sequence, the sequential order, that he doesn't practice something which one should practice later, and then he doesn't practice something which should be practiced first, but he leaves it for the later and so forth.
단 지금 여기 삼바천 봤을 때는 라마당한테는 당화를 비해 몇번 땜버려 가지고 그랬어.
And the fourth one is he should be completely satisfied, convicted by his aspiration and faith in the teaching, and this means that he should have a very strong faith and conviction in this practice.
아니 당하나 저기 체마시 쓰지는 라마 천내가 전에 비는 농 천내제 당화 천내 쉬는 비에 냠뇨 참아 줄어져야지 어떻게 주고 열었어.
So now the next one is known as the four valids, and then this is that the practitioner should receive the transmission from a qualified valid teacher, and the transmission which he received, the teaching, the transmission of which teaching that he received should be a very valid very scriptural teaching, and then it should also be one which is supported by valid treatises, and he should achieve valid realizations, qualified realizations. So the teaching which he the teaching which he practices should be endowed with these 8 characteristics. So now the third outline, which is the how to engage into the actual practice, is divided into two. That is the way to engage into the practice of generation stage and the practice of completion stage.
대도원이 손에 도와줘야 제가서 조선에만 오고 나를 살아서 먹고 이거는 진짜 저번에 내가 소원도 전에가 전에 소원도 이게 바위라 되면 디진지 이제 저 와도 제가 오늘 와도 제가 와도 이거도 고예가 와도 전에 와서 와서 맞제는 와도 영아 예수는 제 자원하다 버져보고 네 세면하고 저거 노래도 나도 저거 세제증은 저거 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 세네가 내주에 전에도 소원이 말하는 거 와저로 예만에 여전히 원하는 예수는 세제면하는 전화 대화자마다 대답을 지금 그지 체방 토진 자주변 이대원님의 뒤에는 저는 원하는 그래서 나오는 배고로도 먹고 용도 세제자니 마다네 제가 저거 내제 나와도 저는 선대 주소도 주리시 이런 예제 나마다 맞아도 주소는 주고 미래 주변의 세계에 로라나로 저거는 자세산진 나는 보고는 맨날 그래서 뭐지 자제만 나도 고하는 대로 견디는 세상은 이제 나가는 저저 봐. 이래서 제네만 이런 내가 다른 명은 제다 인생에 매장을 주로네 저는 조제단에 조소마다 그래서 맛이 되는 거 미나요 뭐 이거 나가는 나지는 저거 내가 저는 지다가 들리지 말고 예전에 주네 대제마다 나라니 노래 나오는 sen전 동에 나오는 나와고 저러 저 왜냐도 예전에 저도 내가 세네바게 지나라면 고전하는 선제주 주네 되면 선제라 저 마보다 주로 저 오늘 내라게 나거면 나가는 저는 와자와 되는 손에 드는 선제주는 저주 던지지 저거 많이 선제를 연하데 나야 내로도 저주는 누구냐 근데 가는 투주로 빠도 얘네 다도 가 이시주 선은 저는 지라는 거는 저는 가는 다른 게 많이 대사제냐 저거는 저는 말로서 맞보지 말로서 와도 고소도 제서 봐도 나면 저는 그 benjamin 와는 나는 나는 내가 잡다 벌어져서 저는 저는 칸에 잡지 저는 저거는 benjamin 나는 담배지다는 손에 와서 지도지 좀 제시다 제시는 라마 건조를 렌 주제 심자준 자예 라마는 데마슈다 제데 네 지금 좀 말하는 저는 저는 세면제는 뭐는 다게 저를 산에 요거는 저는 쓰는 거 저는 저는 시간에 주바 선제 이노를 설치 사주지 다니 제가 공부하지나 저는 고여도 가는 저는 이제 제가 저는 이제 봐자만 저는 나야면 원이나 미주로 원이나 선제 담에 들어는 나는 손에 가와잖아 나니 저는 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 나도 미주로 다니는 맞아고 제가 맞아서 저는 단전명은 있어 저 가서 참여도 그지는 나는 류에 사는 로고 내려로 만났어요. 또 단전 자원 저도 어디에다 가지고 우르댕이라 그다지 보고 저는 약간 나가는 저는 그거는 선에고는 나게 얘네가 되면 그거는 세제 병원 어디 너무 나요란 일하면서 외로워는 주는 주는 오늘 거는 양아다 다와지 팀을 하면 돼서 너무 소원한다고 내가 저는 저기도 수다 저번에 저기 근데 오늘 라면 고기는 나서 저도 오늘 공조 이면 저거 나나고 나고 나저고 여기 저거도 소리가 나고 나서 소리 주에 말하는 게 내마도 나도지 매저 방고 내가 소도지네 이 매저 산재 공조 영 뭐로 다 그냥 거도 오늘도 전다디 제림 네 저는 나서 내가 수들어야 되니 오늘은 다 내주 주지 요레스.
So the practice of generation stage is divided into 11 parts known as the 11 yogas.
다 되는 당보들어야 되니 내주 생들스.
And among these 11, the first one is known as the yoga of sleeping.
오늘 내주 되어야 돼. 가셔야 되니 그 티수 나로라 네 내줘 법에 내줘 남성을 제발 알려야 나오거든. 늘 나와라 알는 내고래. 네 예전에 걸 내줘도 셔버렸지. 네 송에들 요레스.
There are some masters of the past who believe that because the practitioner, in order to engage into the practice, first he has to wake up, and to wake up first he has to sleep. So therefore the yoga of sleeping is taught first.
Dili sheki dina dini yan nyagala ya lang warisi yan dili ya nyag warisi dini kola dini jati kunga soro jajayini ni kaya yamari shida guzoro kaya yamari sidila.
So actually it is not a sort of a substantial reasoning, because it's not a proper justifying reason, because in order to in that case in order to sleep first one has to be in the waking state, and then it goes on and goes on. It's like a hen and egg.
오늘 제자들이 이전에 디비게 명하게 되는 삼년으로 맞춰 버렸어요.
So in such interpretation, actually the feature of the profundity are not been able to show.
네, 장관아마 쪼가 받으면 공부를 받으면 셰바 있나? 오늘 nhiệm 좀데 도시 로이벤데 송여서 nhiệm 좀 대신 nhiệm 좀데 도지 내좀만 참을 수 있잖아요.
And according to the interpretation of Lama Tsongkhapa, he based it on Mahasiddha Nakpopa, Mahasiddha Luipa, who said that during the daytime explain the tantras of Yamantaka. And during the daytime explain the tantras of Hiruka, and during the night explain the tantras of Vajrayogini. 님이 되더니 히로가 가서다 콜로돔베 뒤당하더니 스모드더니 도진년점에 뒤전에 다이 된다더니 가르에서는 용가 도진년점한테 타다 싫어고 주니가 나네더니 싫어고 주제 거주 마주니가 나네 마주 드니 나저도 동조니가 나네 동조전에 드니 인자니 싫어 예세기 싫어고 차더니 요새 주버 제베더니 요새 주제 인자니 드니 조정 고주야 되베더니 내저 강가로고 배운 고주야 돼 스미 뒤전에 스모 내외 뒤더니 고주제더니 시다로 드니 진임버레스. So Vajrayogini practice is which belongs to the Mother Tantra, and which emphasized on the practice of wisdom rather than methods, and emphasized practice on the emptiness aspect rather than on the appearance aspect, and also therefore the best time for it is during the night when it's time for sleeping.
원다만 내가 가려야지니 내다로다 언제니 주제 찌는 건가를 내와도 주면 조림 건가를 내와서 전들이 내로로 보면 나와지니 요레스.
So when the practitioner goes to sleep, there are two ways by which the practitioner goes to sleep, and these are known as sleeping sleeping while in the practice of the generation stage, which has elaborations, and sleeping while in the practice of completion stage, which is free of elaboration.